Hello friends and welcome back. In the previous video we have discussed the basic structure of an HTML document. In this section we are going to cover the text elements in HTML. So what are the text elements? So we can say generalized definition of text elements is like it contains the block or say contents of characters together in a specific manner. So in this section we are going to cover the different text elements. They are very simple. You can just go through it or you can just read it and you can just try it on your own. At the end of the video uh, there is an assignment which you can try on yourself, and if you want the source code then I will put a link in the description. You can download it from there and just check it with your source code. One thing which I want to say is that the source code might differ from which you have written or which I have written, but the main thing here is that you understand the concepts and use it on your own. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so the first tag which we are going to discuss here is the p tag, or say a paragraph tag. uh, so we can just surround the words that we want to make a paragraph of with a p tag, and opening and closing p tags. What it does is it creates a paragraph, and we can have more than one paragraphs in a file. So you can just try it on your own. The next tag is the bold tag, or the strong tag. The functionality of both the bold tag and the strong tag is the same. uh, the use of the strong tag, or say the bold tag, is that it indicates that the content inside it has a strong importance. By default, the browsers will show the contents of the elements inside this tag in bold. The next tags are the italic, or say the emphasize tag. Uh, Similar to bold or strong tag, the browser will show the content of italic or emphasize tag in italic form. The next tag is the super tag. So the super tag is used to contain the characters that should be subscripted, such as the suffixes of dates, mathematical concepts, as we have shown here. The next tag is a sub tag. So as the super tag was used for the superscript, the sub tag is used for the subscript. It is commonly used with the footnotes or chemical formulas. The next tag here is the break tag. Whenever we want to insert a break in our paragraph, we can just use the break tag. The break tag does not have a closing tag, as we have discussed earlier. The super tag, the sub tag, the paragraph tag have an opening tag and a closing tag, but the br tag only has an opening, not a closing. Similar to br tag, there is a horizontal rule, or say hr tag. When we want to create a break between the themes, such as the change of a topic, then we can use the hr tag. It just separate the sections in a file. uh, the next tag is the block quote tag. Similar to block quote tag, there is another tag which is the q tag, or say quotation tag. In the earlier versions of HTML, so HTML3, HTML4, there was a separate mentioning of q tag, but nowadays in HTML5 the most commonly used tags, or the tag for quotation, is the block quote tag. The browser tends to indent the content of the block code elements. Uh, the next tag is the abbreviation tag. Earlier versions of HTML also provided a different tags which is the acronym tag, but in HTML5 you can just use the abbreviation tag for an abbreviation or an acronym. In this tag there is a title attribute which provides the which specifies the full term, and it is usually present at the beginning of the abbreviation or acronym tag. The next tag is the cite tag. Whenever we are referencing a piece of work such as book or a research paper, the cite element can be used to indicate where the citation is from. The next tags are the insert and delete tags. Uh, we can see that most of the time the insert and delete tags are used together. The insert element can be used to show the content that has been inserted, while the delete element can show the text that has been deleted. Similar to delete tag, there is another tag which is strikethrough tag. It indicates that something is of no longer importance, or say no longer accurate, or say relevant. The elements which are incorporated in the strike through tag, or the say text which is enclosed between the strike through tag, will usually be displayed with a line through the center. Okay, so we have discussed all the basic tags in the HTML, and if you know any another important tags in the text, then you can just write down in the comment section. And yes, there is an assignment which you can try on your own. It has I have tried to include all the tags which we have seen in this video and made a home page. In the last video you have learned how to create your own web page. It's very simple, so let us just go through the assignment. Okay, so here is the assignment. First of all, let me just zoom in. Sorry. So here is the we have used bold tag, italic or emphasize tag. You can say here we have used the strong tag, here the italic or emphasize tag, here we have used the super tag, here we have used the abbreviation tag. Whenever you are going to hover over such a text which is included between the abbreviation acronym tag, you can see the full form or what we have written in the title attribute. So here you can see in ISRO, in GSLV, GSET. Okay, we have used the paragraphs. Here we have used the horizontal rule, we have used the block quote, the cite tag, we have used the insert delete tag, we have used the cite strike through tag, and all different kinds of tag. You can create your own web page, or just you can play around with the things and try it on your own. And if you guys are interested in learning other languages such as Java and PHP, you can just check out the playlist on our channel. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.